Hi friends, if you are willing to make a premium e-commerce website for electronics store, this video is exactly for you. In this video, I have Woodstock electronics store WooCommerce theme, which has got a very clear and stunning look. This is the demo website, so light version and dark version is available with this theme, and this is the light version demo of Woodstock WordPress theme. It is very clear and stunning look demo website, and you are going to get the same. If you want to make a very clear website, this is going to be a very good catch for you. And in this video we are going to install Woodstock WordPress theme and a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also preview the theme options and import the demo content. So let us begin. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack there is two folders, the content and licensing. In the content we have all the theme components, the demo content, the electronics and watch store demo, documentation, some plugins has been given, and the theme files, the main theme file and the child theme file is here. So let us begin. We have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose the woodstock.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time and I will be able to show you the theme file size. So theme file is very lightweight. It is just 2.44 MB in size, and it is a lightweight theme. Of course it is going to work fast on the website as well. And don't get confused, you can upload the theme using the WordPress interface, or you can directly upload on your hosting. So both activities are same, so you have to do only one. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, I'm waiting. Yes, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Woodstock folder, in which we got all the theme components. Now we can delete the extras, the zip and this macOS sex. It is not required now, and we can go back to the theme section again. Now we have Woodstock as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Woodstock version 2.6. Woodstock is a premium WordPress and WooCommerce theme. We can activate it now. And upon activation we got landed on a setup wizard, so we can start the wizard. First of all, it is showing the server info, and it should all green here, and we are fine to go for next. Now it should be green, and it is all green here. And if it is not, you can use the PHP INI editor at your hosting to make all the credentials green and change the requisite suggested resources. And let us move next. child theme, we can skip to install it for the time being. It is not required. Plugins are required, so we can check what plugins are here, and I believe all are required, so I am going to install all the plugins. Advanced custom fields installed, Redux framework installed, WP Bakery page builder is being installed and now installed. WooCommerce is going on. Yes, it is also installed. Woodstock extension is required. And it has been installed now. Breadcrumb navxt, so it has been installed, and contact form 7 is installed. In Watermarket, however, it was not required, but it is being installed. Master Slider Pro, the wish list, and it has been installed. Woo sidebars and WooCommerce variation swatches has been installed, and YRTH WooCommerce compare, the last one, is also installed. So we are fine with all the plugins. All has been installed. There was a big list, but all has been successfully installed, and now plugins installation has been complete. Now we have to import the demo content, and we have two options: the electronics light demo and the watch dark demo. I am selecting electronics light demo to import, and import note is here. The images used in the demo are copyrighted and belong to this respective owners. It is a mix of stock images and products. Okay, fine, so it is good. We can click on import, and now the demo content import has been started, and it may take up to 5 minutes as I assume. So we have to be here on this screen only. Don't leave or refresh this page. It is necessary activity for completing the demo website, so your due patience is required here. And finally you will reach on this screen. All done, have fun, and we can now view our website. Something good is loading, and yes, it is. So we need to import master slider manually, so we just need to read this article. Okay, so set up wizard and installed. Okay, so we have already done this. Tools, import, import demo file when you are on demo content folder, full theme package, master slider JSON. Okay, to import the slider you need to name master slider admin page and click on import and export button. Okay, So let us try to import master slider first to complete the demo installation. Rest of things are here. Just checking where is the master slider. This is the master slider. And import export is here. Choose file, content, demo content, electronics, master slider.json. Open it, import, and fine, all data imported. So we can check our website now. Oh, it is still not here. What it needs next, let us check. Here it is, the slider is here. Let us check with the WP bakery where it is configured or not. So I am going to backend editor first. It is a bit not so easy. And this is just a text block, amazingly. Okay, so I'll configure the master sliders separately. What I'll do, just looking for the master sliders. This is the master slider, and select slider. This is the slider, save changes, and I'm going to delete this, update the page. It should work, I believe. And let us view the page. Yes, it is fine now, and the slider is here. So it was not so difficult, we got it. Now website is complete, and you may need to work on the sliders. So it is just a demo slider. You have you may create your own slider, and the demo images has not been given, and rest of things are fine with this theme. And now we can check the theme options if it is separately. So theme setting is here. I'll show you what settings are available. These are the general settings: logo and five icon, header setting, top bar, shop setting, shop catalog, product page, footer setting, styling, sticky header, main navigation, main title area, main content, sidebars, footer, typography, social media and sharing, blog setting, custom code, theme documentation, and import export is common. So rest things are common as in WordPress. So we are good with the theme, and I also shown you the page customization option during the slider configuration. And just in case you have any question, you can write in the comment section of this video, and you can get this theme by following the link given in the documentation, the description of this video. Click on the magenta color button marked as Get Woodstock WordPress Theme. You shall be able to complete your order. Just in case you need the hosting, that is also available. Thanks for watching.